Thank you, Auntie Kiki.
What a Capri Sun.
Yeah, your background.
Thank you, Auntie Kiki.
Z?
You wanted to say thank you.
Yeah, I know, he's very
Jonathan, she's sitting on you. I know you might not know.
Okay, let her open up the gift.
She's so little. And the paper matched the book.
I can't shoot. I don't say some stuff in reality. Because I know it don't.
Stay in the camera frame. Ooh. What is it? Yay!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Let me see you smile. Where you going? Where you going?
I don't even know what to do with life.
So excited.
Wait.
Oh, no.
No, don't do that.
Stop. You're going to break it.
Zay, would you like to say anything? Thank you.
You have any words? Say thank you. Say thank you. Auntie Kiki.
Auntie Kiki. Look at Auntie Kiki.
Bye.
Oh, wait.
Don't open it for him, Dougie.
Hope you can wear those. Those are collector's items for your info.
I'd like to see that. You got to wake up 30 minutes early before you try.
Ooh, the Harajuku.
Good.
You put them on.
Don't show us.
Give me Auntie Kiki to open.
Don't throw it on the floor.
Give me Auntie Kiki. I am not
He
Auntie
open it
Kiki.
himself.
Oh,
Oh, that's nice.
that is cute.
So they have that Target?
Mhm.
That is so nice.
Like Diana Ross.
Whoa.
Oh, and you know Jack is gay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I remember that.
Fancy like Diana Ross.
Ooh. Those are the ones you wanted, Z.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh my God. She didn't know that. Because
I know my baby did.
I didn't tell her that. So. Remember, she will show you stuff in the store. Now, what's those? Oh, those are the bait.
Oh, that's
It would
cute.
say Love So on it.
Huh?
It just says love on it.
Just
It say so.
You getting robbed. You just lost your shoes.
No, my shoes.
They said, ooh. Well, you better give it up for that. That went all over Miami for that. Oh, sorry. I forgot I was on camera.
Let people.
Oh, they got Django on chain. Iceman.
That's why Dougie said he
Very, very good.
Hey, look, he looking for my foot.
Go put your sister's shoes back. You all in her scene. Excuse me.
cute, Z. Everything.
That is cute.
That's
Wait.
Who's not
Where your
too
burrito or
big?
your bowl?
Yeah, but you gotta set it up. But it didn't work.
No chips.
What does he say?
Can I get a speech?
Oh.
I like everything.
Thank you, Auntie Kiki.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Not bad.
How was your Christmas, eh?